The world is full of truths so strange, they sound like fiction, but they're not. They're documented, verified, real. Take Antarctica, where male penguins don't offer rings, but pebbles. The smoothest stone on the shore becomes a proposal. If accepted, it's the first brick in a lifelong bond and a nest. Or consider the elephant, the only mammal that can't jump. Not because it won't, but because physics won't allow it. Pillar-like legs, immense weight, zero lift. Survival isn't about agility, it's about endurance. Your ears, they never stop growing. While the rest of your body settles after puberty, cartilage in your ears and nose expands about 0.22 millimeters per year. Forensic scientists can even estimate age from ear length alone. And your brain, it has a silent cleanup crew. Through synaptic pruning, it deletes unused memories to make room for what matters. That's not forgetfulness, it's efficiency. Water, under precise conditions, can boil and freeze at the same time. At its triple point, solid liquid and vapor coexist, a perfect demonstration of physics, recreated in labs worldwide. Flamingos don't bend their knees backward. What you see, that's the ankle. Their real knee is hidden beneath feathers and adaptation, perfected for wading through deep waters. Your pinky finger, it contributes over 30% of your grip strength. Lose it, and holding a hammer or climbing a rope becomes nearly impossible. Even your tongue has a unique print. Researchers are now testing tongue biometrics as a secure form of identification because no two are alike. A blue whale's heartbeat pulses so powerfully it can be detected 2 miles away. A 400-pound organ echoing through the ocean like a slow living drum. The Eiffel Tower was almost built in Barcelona. Rejected as too strange, it found a home in Paris and became an icon. An ostrich's eye is larger than its brain. Not a flaw, just evolution prioritizing sight over thought in open, predator-filled plains. The QWERTY keyboard wasn't designed for speed. It was engineered to slow you down to prevent early typewriters from jamming. Efficiency was sacrificed for mechanical survival. You can't tickle yourself. Why? Your brain predicts your own movements. No surprise, no tickle. In 1919, Boston was flooded not with water, but with molasses. A tank burst, releasing 2.3 million gallons at 35 miles per hour. 21 people died. The streets smelled of sugar for decades. There's a rare condition called boanthropy where people believe they're cows. They graze, they moo, they walk on all fours, convinced of their bovine identity. On Mars, sunsets aren't red, they're blue. Martian dust scatters red light, letting blue wavelengths dominate near the sun, a sky turned upside down. Male honeybees die the moment they mate. Their reproductive organ rips free in a fatal rupture, passing on genes at the cost of life itself, and 12 billion light years away. Astronomers found a cloud of water vapor 140 trillion times the volume of all Earth's oceans. Proof that water existed in abundance, even in the universe's infancy. These aren't myths, they're facts stranger than fiction, hidden in plain sight. And this is only the beginning.